Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know it's my little one's birthday. I'm just going to be talking briefly about how I did the decorations. I got these ones from SHEIN. You can also get them from Amazon. I'll leave the useful links in the description box for you. The remaining party things that I didn't get from Amazon and SHEIN I got from Poundland, especially those disposable things and all of that to give the party vibe. Honestly, we really enjoyed doing the decorations, especially because we wanted to give our little princess something to look back on and smile. So because it was just the two of us, it was quite difficult to make videos and take pictures while experiencing the whole thing, you know. So as a result, I feel like there's a lot that I didn't get to capture, but at the same time there's still a lot that I captured, so you'd get to find out if you keep watching the video, and you have a picture of how the whole day turned out. Yes, that's me making ayamashi, aka ofada stew. When it comes to the food, the only thing I outsourced was the jollof and fried rice. The beautiful cake was handled by Olama's third grandma, which was so lovely. I tried to make every other thing in batches and as much as I could. So the pepper soup, meat pie, puff, salad, the meat, everything else was done by me in little batches a couple of days before and on that day. So that's it guys, enjoy the rest of the vlog.